Oh yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, look here. Well, let me put my baby down here. Life is good on the bayou, Chef. All right. 2015. I remember that year. I remember being hungry for some hot dinner rolls. But not just regular hot dinner rolls. I wanted dinner rolls that could be spiced up with some pepper jack cheese. So here's what I did. Took my Dutch oven out. Got it all prepared, Chef. Well, you'll see for yourself. I'll tell you what, you'll see for yourself. This was back in 2015. I hope you enjoy it. Hey, have a good time, Chef. Enjoy the weekend, and don't forget the holidays are coming up pretty soon. Nothing better than hot dinner rolls cooked in a Dutch oven. Hey, let's go watch the show. Hey, look here. Today, I've got my Dutch oven, and I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and make some pepper jack cheese bread. And I tell you, it makes real easy, real fast. Hey, watch me, watch what I do, enjoy the music. Oh yeah, baby. Talk to y'all in a minute. Later. All done. It all looks good. I want to introduce sous chef.
Hello, everybody.
Let me get out of your way, girl.
Yeah. Today I will be trying the pepper jack bread. That was amazing. That was delicious. I love it.
All right. Tell you what, Amber has helped me a lot with a whole bunch of videos. And anytime there's something for me to test out, I just gotta holler, Amber! And it's like she's part of a satellite, because she knows exactly what I'm doing all the time. Anyway, we're gonna talk to you later.